Buzzwords like Web3, blockchain, and NFTs are everywhere. But what do they actually mean? Let's demystify the decentralized web together. We're entering a new era of the internet, one that shifts power from centralized platforms to individual users. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet. It's about decentralization, transparency, and user control. Imagine having full control over your data, deciding who sees it and how it's used. Web2 is centralized. Web3 is decentralized, changing how we interact online. At the core of Web3 is blockchain technology. It provides a secure and transparent foundation for the decentralized web. Blockchain enables secure, transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. Blockchain underpins Web3 applications, providing a foundation for decentralized data storage and communication. Smart contracts automate processes and build trustless ecosystems. Cryptocurrencies play a key role in Web3, facilitating transactions and enabling value exchange. Cryptocurrencies fuel transactions, incentivize participation, and foster community ownership. Different cryptocurrencies serve unique functions within Web3 applications. Cryptocurrencies enable value exchange and foster community ownership in Web3 ecosystems. DApps offer greater control, transparency, and privacy compared to traditional centralized applications. The DApp ecosystem is growing rapidly, with examples in finance, gaming, and social media. DApps provide users with greater control, transparency, and privacy over their data and interactions. DApps have the potential to disrupt traditional business models and empower users in new ways. Is Web3 the future of the internet? Let's explore the potential benefits and challenges. Web3 offers increased user privacy, security, and control over data. However, Web3 faces challenges such as scalability and regulatory uncertainties. Despite challenges, the decentralized web has the potential to transform how we interact online, creating a more equitable and user-centric digital environment. Ready to build your Web3 presence? Visit itechvista.com to build and optimize your Shopify website.